Hello, I'm Katie. The following little video is just a taster of one of the projects from my ebook, Beaded Boxes with a Flower Pot Theme. It'll just give you a sense of the teaching style you'll get, so I hope you enjoy it. In this video, I want to show you how to use diamond peyote to create a really simple leaf. So this is the flower I've got on top of my needle case beaded box. And if we just turn it around, you can see the little diamond shaped leaf, which is very attractive. And you'll be pleased to know it's a nice, simple, basic peyote stitch technique. So let me show you how that works. Right, you can position your leaf anywhere on the stem. So I've got a little mock stem and I've made my way through to a point where I would like the leaf to sit. Now the diamond variation starts by picking up a string of beads. In this case I'm going to use 9. So that's number 6, 7, 8, 9. The pattern will always tell you how many, so just follow that. We push them right along so they're sitting up close to the stem, and then I want to pass back through the 4th bead from the end. So skip those last 3, go through that 4th bead, and if I pull everything up tight, those beads form a little pointed edge. Now I'm going to work back along that string in normal peyote stitch. So let's pick up a bead, miss out the next bead, go through the bead after. Once again, pick up one bead, miss the next bead, go through the bead after. And in the final stitch, if I pick up one bead, miss out the next bead, the bead after is actually my stem bead, so I need to go through that, entering from the opposite side that my thread is exiting. If I pull all that round, you can see the beginnings of a leaf taking shape. So I want to continue on from there to step up through the first bead on the other side. Now I'm going to work in peyote, so pick up one, pass through the next bead, pick up one, pass through the next bead, pick up one, pass through the next bead, and I've come to the end of the row on this side, but instead of turning around and working back, I'm going to continue on through the end bead, through its neighbour, and then I can peyote down the other side. So just picking up one, passing through one, add one, pass through one, add one, pass through one, and once again I'm back by the stem. So again I just need to follow on through that bead in the stem and continue on up through the first 2 beads on this side. And I'm just going to keep doing that all the way around twice more. So in the next row I'll have 2 beads to add, continue on round the top, 2 beads to add, on round the bottom. The final row will just give me 1 bead on each side, and now I've got my little diamond shaped leaf. If you enjoyed that and would like to know more about the ebook, the details are all down below. Thanks for watching.